You see where there? When we go to Jamaica, your daughter will favor a blood clot all man. You no want something where you give your Madonna. Madonna favor them all blood clot, peace spot. Puss when you go come off for IG and stop class, good clean blood clot people. Puss your favor when cocky they don't want to stand up and around water. Dirty old puss, oh you come for me. Eh? You hear me said, we cry peace with the people them. We cause children. You understand? And you come out and come talk about me all. Suck pussy puss, me never fuck a woman yet. Suck pussy puss. You shit pan cocky like when dog bend down and a blood clot, diarrhea. Dirty old pussy coming like some dog want shit and can't shit. Every time him bend down for blood clot shit, the shit stuck up in him body hole and can't come down. Puss with your body blood clot breath. Puss with the shit teeth in your blood clot mouth. Oh, if a blood clot argument. Puss if you have a big blood clot, dump a blood clot chuck. Pan IG, boy, you're in a panty. And Brazil, puss if you have that big black blood clot chuck here. Puss you look like an ambulance to blood clot. We carry dead people. Puss, why you think so you can't argue with me? Eh? Puss, you always put up your blood clot self with clean people. Puss, you stop it. Puss, you need clothes, you need toothpaste, you need toothbrush. Puss, you stink now blood clot. You know, here you go say. Him have to use Dettol and bleach and washing cocky when him done fuck you. Puss, you know, in my class, you know. Puss, me don't want you to call my blood clot name Puss. Because when I go to Jamaica, and the man them, not even the woman them, I ask me, why me do this? You understand? I couldn't even give them a straight answer. I couldn't even give them a straight answer. You understand? Uncle thing me have to tell him, say, boy, when you come in here, me have to class our Puss, you pass class up now, blood clot. You pass class down now, pussy clot. Pussy are shit in the water. Pussy are toilet when toilet can blood clot flush. You are shit pan shit pan shit. And piss go back on the blood clot shit. Dirty stinking puss. You know, hear me say me no in a lifestyle no more. You know, hear me say me blood clot done and gone. Eh? Eh? Are you Eric about your talk about if me ever call your name or single you out? Eric, I'm gonna call your blood clot name. I'm blood clot out. Cause me and your keckle are different blood clot keckle. You understand? You go straight from blood clot ID. And on IG, I don't make no sense of blood clot. Big up on the stage with people. Post, let me tell you something. Every you come out to come talk about Dan old thing. Post, you'd never live long enough to a blood clot. My father dead when I'm 92 blood clot year old. And if you live to be blood clot 92 year old, you'd never on a history. You're a man comes to Dan Pussy think you're mad. Me grow with my mother and my blood clot father. You understand? Me grow now how to get up a morning time and brush my teeth and wash my blood clot face and wash my blood clot pussy. Nasty old dirty old woman. You teach Madonna to wash her pussy. Yes, Madonna walk and fuck like dog. Every man when not up them head in a blood clot UK and say them a dread Madonna fuck them and suck off the whole of them blood clot cocky. Pussy. When you put up my children them, you ever see any of them look favor rugs or tags or blood clot paper bag? Post a class of children come out of my blood clot hole. You understand? Me send them go to baby school where you pay your blood clot money. For your children them go to baby school at Jamaica. You understand? Before them going to primary school and blood clot early school. Fucking nasty old dirty woman. Your children them never have a blood clot passport. Stinking woman, you're on blood clot IG. A suck out little baby pussy. You know, sister is a blood clot pervert. Dirty old woman. Eh? You know, hear me say if you come out from a blood clot name. You hear me come out yesterday. And me I say, yo, the parents them. You understand? We do the children them too bad. You understand? And the children them is blood clot innocent. You go call this little boy with me know from before him blood clot ban. And him know, oh, down and about him. Look at you, you don't know me. You don't know me. You understand? If you see me now, you don't know me. You understand? You understand? And the whole of the way they are spoilers. We're so now shatter right now. And me blood clot there, they will no matter. Me and no matter grow together. Me not even know someone uno if me no remember blood clot uno. if you not tell me who una is and who una parents blood clot is. Dark shit old, stinking old, dirty old, rotten old, blood clot, hydrant old, blood clot puss. Eh? Man, I for fuck your puss and then turn on use bleach. I think like blood clot, bleach and wash them cocky. Pussy no make no sense of blood clot. Hey, puss, we not supposed to argue with you now. Me not supposed to argue with you now. Cause the other day, you know, when I'm a friend with the America, you know, call me and say, yo, gangster Dan, me not used to you. I trace like this and I go on like this, you know. Me used to you when me a girl. You understand, as a woman with drop lick in the blood clot. Hey, puss, me can't see if you kick it in your face. And that hurt me, you know. That's why I stop arguing with you, you know. Puss, me can't even see if you kick in your blood clot face. You talk about Dan can't walk. Me walk to blood clot puss. Me walk on my blood clot work. And me walk go anywhere me want blood clot walk. Me no walk and suck cocky out of garbage like you. Garbage pan dirty hole. Stinking woman. You know, you must stop calling me blood clot name. Open my mother a blood clot leg and looking at her pussy hole. I be a worm in that blood clot. She want some worm blood clot pill. And you and she must sit down and out. I read another one named Tough Stuff. You and blood clot, tough stuff. And ugly blood clot, Orico. Orico favor cockroach. The one them where you talk about. The one them where you... Orico ugly no blood clot, you know. Orico favor when dog shit and it dry up in a sun no pussy clot, you know. Hey, pussy, I will rip on no blood clot down, you know. I know I'm going rip on no blood clot down. My grandpitney them good looking and sweet no blood clot, you know. Yeah? And them parents, take care of them no pussy clot, you know. Pussy favor French letter no blood clot. You favor discharging a condom when they throw away and blood clot drive. Pussy can't talk to pretty woman like me. Eh? Dirty naked woman, stay bad, awful looking, drunk a piece of shit. You know, you myself stop calling me name. A dirty woman, you dep on IG every day a blood clot beg, tin mackerel, tin blood clot mackerel, and I beg $5 on blood clot and you think me I got binnicle down my blood clot self to you? You send Kamawa. Listen, Tanya, me there, my work. I'm here, I dep on my name. Oh, my nephew. Hey, Puss, move your blood clot and go. Ginger fly full up in your house now, blood clot. And a pitch from the cockroach looking blood clot grandson. Where your blood clot have on the thick back focus. Blood clot eyeglasses. Will look like it make out a blood clot back up bottom. Stinking woman, you know, you must stop calling my blood clot name. Eh? Shit house woman, no, you must stop calling my blood clot name. When you not have nothing for blood clot, do Puss, get some sod seal and rub out your blood clot hole. You'd have a big blood clot boil underneath you. Where the beg you go for blood clot boss. For you go a blood clot doctor, you're full of syphilis, no blood clot Puss. Puss, your mouth can't stay bad, no blood clot. Naked, dirty, nasty Puss. When you come on for me, Puss, hey. The wickedest thing I reach between me and you right now, you know. I can't say when I see you. You understand? Because I'm tell you something, Puss, me that walk up in your blood clot face with the shoes that I have on. See it, yeah? Me that walk in your blood clot face. And no business if you even bring out the army. You understand? I say my brother, we dead, always tell me, say, prison, no make for animal. Hey, Puss, me that kick out them blood clot, allowing teeth out of your blood clot mouth, you know. Hey, stinking woman, no, you must say if you go bed. Eh? Dirty woman, when man have to wash off them cocky when them fuck you. You understand? With blood clot, bleach and blood clot, Dettol. When you come off of me, shit pit blood clot woman, naked woman, nasty dirty woman with the, you putting them ugly in a blood clot. You always a come for people and them children, and you always a come and I'm a pussy like your name, stay free. Eh? You stay free and I'm a pussy, or you tamper up in my blood clot, old dirty woman, stinking woman, you know, you must stop calling my blood clot name. Eh? You talk about bring her down, my neighbor. If the little boy say him can't see you. You understand? He might talk to you in the darkness. Dirty, stinking, shit up old blood clot post. Tile it blood clot bag. You understand? Board blood clot tile it. Dirty woman. You know, you must have to stop calling me blood clot name. Can go up here so some neighbor them not hear me. Yeah, I can go back, walk, go down here. So, stinking woman, you talk about people can blood clot walk. You see the big bump, whether or not your blood clot when you say you walk out of town, you get that taken care of yet? Eh? Dirty, stinking woman, blood clot, discharge, blood clot, mouth corner, drunk, you know, you must have to stop calling me blood clot name. Shithouse woman, everywhere you test me in your blood clot lose. Zero dog shit woman. You always lose when it come to me. Zero woman, my mama give me color. My mama give me shape. My mama give me, I'm born with blood clot ambition out of my mama all. Dirty woman. Eh? Eh, stinking woman, where I know you from. Every day you just get up, down. Shit house, you know, you must say, God, put yourself in the toilet and flush your blood clot self and go. Drunk dog shit woman. Eh? Eh? You make the man cocky dead, the man have to use bleach and blood clot dental, and you talk about people all. Pussy is a sniffer dog for my pussy. If you your life is done. You ain't got no fucking life. More than for sit down on your blood clot ass when I beat from morning. You stinking rotten old puss and cuss and text it on people. Puss you rotten a blood clot. You sit down on your out for 13 blood clot years and you never fuck yourself. And the first man your blood clot fuck off for 13 years. Eat your blood clot. You have to trick him and tell him, say, yeah, bring him go a blood clot for him. For him fuck you. And when him fuck you, him say, him eat him cocky. You can imagine a man who eat him cocky cause him fuck you. Dirty woman come off from a blood clot name. And so, Uno, me I go single out on a blood clot when I call my blood clot name. And bust it up on the blood clot because I don't know nothing about blood clot me. And none of you will that never live long for hear a man fuck me class me. Because I not take dirty man a blood clot. Yeah. Me not fuck with una fuck. Una fuck on the car, una fuck behind car. Una fuck in a dog shit. Hey, dirty stinking post. Yeah, your blood clot, team foot. Blood clot, slime bag, blood clot, Keiko. Hey, girl, Keiko, you Jamaican? Eh? Bumboo clot, Keiko, we jump the blood clot while I'm coming a blood clot, America. Hey, girl, let me tell you something, stinking old Keiko. Just go and sniff out your blood clot, look up boy ashes, and come out from a blood clot name. Stinking, dirty Keiko. Keiko, your pussy favor one time, them a make board blood clot, tile it, and somebody go shit in it, and it not dig deep enough. Big old blood clot cake away no go. Every minute you come out in a Jamaican kese. Dirty old cake, I know you. You're the ugliest blood clot Puerto Rican donkey me ever blood clot see. Puss the snake and you favor blood clot kangaroo. Good evening everyone, I'm going inside now. You understand? Go warm up my rice and peas. Big mistake. Bye bye.